Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing the 18 things that I have learned in this 18 things that I've learned in 2018. So let's get started. uh, and happy new year to everybody out there. Happy new year in advance. Happy 2019. Hope this year goes well, and with all the happiness. So yes, I wish you all the best for 2019. Happy new year, guys. First thing is I have learned to love myself. Number two that I have learned in these years are, like, not comparing my life with others. Their life is so different and my life is so different. We are individuals, so everybody's life is different, so I never compare my life with others. Number three is that I have learned to be confident. I'm trying, still trying to be a confident. Next thing I've learned is to be a positive. Number five is that being a grateful for the things that I have in my life, like my mom, my sisters, my family, and everybody, my friends and families. I have learned to be grateful for those things. Number six is to be happy all the time. Like, I have learned to be happy, no matter what the situation is. If you are happy inside out, then it's best feeling. Not caring what other people say to me. Have a gratitude is very important. I always thank you to universe, thank you to my mom, thank you to my family, thank you to everybody, even thank you to you guys that you have subscribed to my channel, and I'm really grateful for that. The next thing that I have learned is not to trust people easily. I don't know why, but I never trust people easily, because most of the time people have broke my heart. So I think that's why the reason. But if you are true friend, then I'll definitely trust you. But next thing I have learned is journaling is one of the most important part of my life. Self-care, I have to say, हुन्छ नि आफूले आफूलाई चाहिँ इम्पोर्टेन्ट दिन सिक्नुपर्छ. You are not living for others, but you are living for yourself. That I have learned as well. You are living for yourself, not for others. So give a treat to yourself sometimes. Be healthy, be fit, work out, do meditation, whatever you want to do, just do it. Take care of yourself. That I have learned in my life. So taking a stand to myself. Yes, I have learned to take stand to myself before, whoever say, like, people who are bullying to me. I used to be keep quiet and I used to cry. And now I have learned to speak out and आफूले आफूलाई के भन्छ स्ट्यान्ड लिन चाहिँ सिकेँ, हुन्छ नि, आफूले स्ट्यान्ड लिन सिकेँ. सो त्यही हो. Always do my best whatever I do. Even this video, I always try to do, in a best way, so yes, I try to hard work. I try to do my best in these videos. Every work, with whatever I do, I try to do my best. Is to be a leader to myself. I don't lead people or anybody, because what I think is being a leader to myself helps me a lot, because I never compare my life with others. I never compare myself with others. Or yes, I compare the previous selves to me. के म पहिलाको म र अहिलेको म चाहिँ मैले चाहिँ त्यो कम्पेयर गर्छु. यो भएन, योभन्दा राम्रो गर्ने. Yes, I don't have any regrets in my of my past. सो यस, मेरो चाहिँ कुनै पनि रिग्रेट छैन र राख्न पनि हुँदैन जस्तो लाग्छ, किनभने पास्ट इज पास्ट, होइन. पास्टलाई हामीले गएर चेन्ज त गर्न मिल्दैन, होइन. त्यो हुनु थियो त्यो भइसक्यो, होइन. सो आई हेभ नो रिग्रेट्स इन माई लाइफ. सो I really don't like to put regrets in my life. So not caring negative people or ignoring the negative people. Be positive. Yeah, you know who you are, basically. So not explain to others. So be happy on your own self, and just ignore the negative people and don't take anything personally. Okay, I have learned to not to give a pressure to myself. like, you must do this, you must do this. I try to do it, but I never ever give a pressure to myself. So yes, okay, I have learned to do exercise or a meditation. These are the things that I have learned in 2018 basically. So yes, let's I have learned these things. So yes, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.